YouTube? Hope you guys are having a good day. Just going for a little cruise, so see what happens. Hey, I want to say real quick though, I appreciate all the support from you guys. You know, it means a lot. But you know, we're gonna keep breaking barriers, baby. Actually, didn't think I was gonna ride today, but you know, had nothing to do. I was like, f it. And yeah, I know my speedometer still needs to get fixed. Skirt, skirt.
Hey, you hear something? Sounds like a mosquito.
Said it sounds like a fucking bee's nest. What a bunch of dickheads. The why, baby. If you ain't hitting the gym, get your ass in the gym right now. Well, after you watch the video, of course. Come on now. Come on, boy. I know my speedo ain't working, but I know he ain't going 35. Probably going like 30. Well, I feel left out. I was the only sport bike rider out of all of them and us. But fuck it, you know, you gotta do what makes you happy, baby. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Look at that thing. Sick.
You should have seen what we saw last night. Oh my god, it was so funny. A whole bunch of young guys on some scooters.
I think a couple of frogs. Hilarious.
Hey, you gotta respect the groms. Groms are fun as fuck though. And there's hella people out today. You know, if I had the money, I wouldn't mind owning a Harley, just cruising around on. That shit would be fun. Without having to go like, you know, triple the speed limit to have a good time. I mean, not always. You don't need to fly on sport bikes to have fun. I mean, not on a 400 at least. Probably on leader bikes, you know. It just depends, I guess. Depends who you are. That's a fucking elementary school. Can you guys believe that shit? It's like my goddamn high school. Imagine. You know how we all riding so close together? I feel like we're in the fucking, what are those planes called? The fucking air shows. Oh, like the Blue Angels, baby. We're like the Blue Angels up in this bitch. Yeah. Up in it, we got this formation going. You hear me? And I want to take this turn a little. Sir. Yes, sir. How often do you think mom looks in her mirror? I guarantee you she didn't see that. Yeah, if she saw that, she'd be whooping my ass right now. Oh, I love this fucking turn. I'm gonna give him some space. Need to shred it. Gotta shred the gnar, you hear me? Drag some knee. You know, guys, I still can't believe that, like, I'm on the road. Cause I like, as a kid, I always just rode dirt bikes and four-wheelers and shit. I never really thought I'd be on the road. I've always wanted to be on the road. Good thing I am, because this shit's fun as fuck. Look at the goats. Bah. I'm gonna get me some black pants. Yeah, for sure. Some like black jeans. Hell yeah! I see you, Mom. UPS, baby. Get FedEx out of here. Jeez, it's a spicy one out today, boys and girls. Better get 3% of you watching. Need to get that tan, you hear me? Need to get that tan. Ooh, we look good. I saw my reflection. Sheesh. Oh, look at that straightaway. Oh, it feels so much cooler in here with all these trees. Fuck yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.